Have you ever wondered if there is a greater purpose to your life? If you are one of the chosen ones, destined to play a unique role in a divine plan? The universal human desire to find meaning and significance in life drives individuals to seek guidance and purpose. The belief in a divine plan offers a framework through which individuals can understand their role in the world. This exploration delves into how the belief in a divine plan can provide guidance, direction, and a sense of purpose in navigating life's complexities. The search for meaning. Humans innately seek meaning and significance in their lives. This quest involves contemplating life's purpose, exploring personal values and aspirations, and finding a sense of fulfillment. The belief in a divine plan offers a potential source of meaning that transcends individual desires and provides a broader perspective. Guiding principles. Belief in a divine plan provides a set of guiding principles and moral values that can shape individuals' choices and actions. It offers a framework to navigate life's complexities with integrity, compassion, and a sense of purpose. Sense of direction. The belief in a divine plan can provide individuals with a sense of direction and clarity. It offers a roadmap for making decisions, setting goals, and pursuing a path that aligns with their perceived purpose within the larger cosmic order. Coping with challenges. Belief in a divine plan can offer solace and resilience during challenging times. It provides a perspective that difficulties and hardships are part of a larger purpose, fostering hope and the ability to endure adversity with a sense of meaning. Fulfilling potential. The belief in a divine plan encourages individuals to develop their unique gifts, talents, and capacities. It promotes personal growth, self-discovery, and the realization of one's potential in fulfilling the role designated within the larger plan. Integration and interconnection. Belief in a divine plan emphasizes the interconnectedness of all beings and the universe. It encourages individuals to cultivate harmonious relationships, contribute to the well-being of others, and recognize the intrinsic value of every individual as part of a larger tapestry. That every individual possesses unique gifts, talents, and qualities that contribute to the greater whole emphasizes the importance of embracing and celebrating individuality. This exploration delves into the belief that each person has distinct qualities that contribute to the collective, highlighting the significance of recognizing and nurturing these attributes for personal growth and the betterment of society. Uniqueness and individual potential. The belief in each person's unique gifts and qualities stems from the recognition that no two individuals are alike. This perspective acknowledges that every person possesses inherent talents, strengths, and potential for growth. Diverse contributions. Each individual's unique gifts and qualities contribute to the collective whole in diverse ways. Some individuals may excel in intellectual pursuits, bringing forth groundbreaking ideas and innovations. Others may possess artistic talents that inspire, uplift, and provoke thought. Emotional intelligence, leadership qualities, compassion, and physical abilities are among the many aspects that individuals can contribute to society. Fostering personal growth. Recognizing and nurturing one's unique gifts and qualities can lead to personal growth, self-actualization, and a sense of fulfillment. By embracing their individuality, individuals can cultivate their talents, develop new skills, and explore their passions, thus unlocking their full potential. Collaboration and interdependence. The belief in the unique contributions of each individual fosters a spirit of collaboration and interdependence. It highlights the value of diverse perspectives, promoting cooperation and collective problem-solving. By appreciating and respecting the differences in others, individuals can work together to create a more inclusive and harmonious society. Creating a better world. When individuals embrace and utilize their unique gifts and qualities, they contribute to the betterment of society. Historical examples abound of individuals who have made significant positive impacts by leveraging their distinct abilities to advance social justice, scientific knowledge, artistic expression, and humanitarian causes. Self-discovery and introspection play a crucial role in understanding one's role in the divine plan. This exploration delves into the importance of looking inward, exploring one's true nature, and cultivating self-awareness as a means to gain insight into how an individual fits into the broader cosmic design. It highlights the significance of introspection in aligning one's actions and purpose with the divine plan. Inner exploration. Self-discovery involves embarking on an inner journey of exploration and self-reflection. It entails delving into one's thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and experiences to gain a deeper understanding of oneself. Uncovering true nature. Through introspection, individuals can uncover their authentic selves, free from societal expectations and conditioning. By examining their values, desires, and aspirations, they can discern their true nature and identify what gives them a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Aligning with the divine plan. Understanding one's role in the divine plan requires aligning one's actions, choices, and purpose with the larger cosmic order. Introspection enables individuals to discern their unique gifts, talents, and qualities that contribute to the greater whole, allowing them to live in accordance with the divine will. Cultivating self-awareness. Self-discovery cultivates self-awareness, which is vital in understanding how one's thoughts, emotions, and actions impact both oneself and the world. By developing self-awareness, individuals can consciously choose to act in ways that are in harmony with the divine plan and contribute positively to their surroundings. Embracing personal growth. The journey of self-discovery and introspection is an ongoing process that involves personal growth and transformation. As individuals learn more about themselves, they can evolve, adapt, and refine their understanding of their role in the divine plan, allowing for continuous alignment and growth. Navigating challenges on the path. Doubts and fears in understanding one's role in the divine plan. When contemplating one's role in a divine plan, various challenges and doubts may arise, including self-doubt and fear of failure. This exploration addresses the potential hurdles individuals may encounter on their journey of understanding, acknowledging that grappling with these doubts and fears is an essential part of growth and self-realization within the context of a larger cosmic design. Self-doubt. When considering one's role in a divine plan, self-doubt can emerge as individuals question their abilities, worthiness, or capacity to fulfill their purpose. Comparisons with others, feelings of inadequacy, or past failures may amplify these doubts. It is important to recognize that self-doubt is a common human experience and should not undermine the value and potential within oneself. Fear of failure. The fear of failure can hinder individuals from fully embracing their role in the divine plan. Worries about not living up to expectations, making mistakes, or falling short of their perceived potential can create anxiety and hesitation. It is crucial to remember that failure is often a stepping stone towards growth and learning, and it does not define one's worth or purpose. Uncertainty and ambiguity. The nature of a divine plan can be mysterious and elusive, leaving individuals with a sense of uncertainty and ambiguity. The lack of clear answers or a definitive roadmap can lead to confusion and frustration. Embracing the unknown and accepting that some questions may remain unanswered is part of the journey towards understanding one's role, balancing free will and divine guidance. Navigating the interplay between personal agency and the guidance of a divine plan can be challenging. Individuals may question whether their choices and decisions align with the larger cosmic design or if they are straying from their intended path. Finding a balance between taking responsibility for one's actions and trusting in divine guidance is a delicate process. Overcoming challenges. Addressing doubts and fears requires self-reflection, inner work, and seeking support when needed. Building self-compassion, cultivating resilience, and embracing a growth mindset can help individuals navigate these challenges. Connecting with mentors, spiritual leaders, or engaging in practices like meditation, prayer, or journaling can provide guidance and solace. Embracing the divine flow. Trust, faith, and surrender in allowing the divine plan to unfold. Trust, faith, and surrender are essential qualities in allowing the divine plan to unfold. This exploration delves into the importance of cultivating these qualities, highlighting how they enable individuals to relinquish control, embrace uncertainty, and align themselves with the greater wisdom of the cosmic design. Trusting in the divine plan, having faith in its unfolding, and surrendering to its guidance fosters a deeper connection and harmonious participation in the grand scheme of things. Trusting in the divine plan. Trust is the foundation upon which the relationship with the divine plan is built. Trusting involves having confidence in the inherent wisdom and benevolence of the cosmic design, even in the face of uncertainty or adversity. It requires letting go of the need for complete control and surrendering to the unfolding process. Faith in the unfolding. Faith goes beyond trust and involves a deep belief and conviction in the ultimate goodness and purpose of the divine plan. It is a steadfast trust in the unseen, a recognition that there is a higher intelligence at work, guiding and orchestrating events in alignment with a greater purpose. Faith provides the strength to navigate challenges and setbacks, knowing that they serve a higher design. Surrendering to divine guidance. Surrender is an act of releasing one's ego-driven desires, attachments, and resistance to the unfolding of the divine plan. It involves letting go of the illusion of control and humbly acknowledging that there is a greater intelligence at play. Surrendering allows individuals to align their will with the divine will, opening themselves to receive guidance and inspiration. Cultivating trust, faith, and surrender. Cultivating these qualities requires inner work and a willingness to relinquish the ego's need for certainty and control. It involves deepening one's spiritual connection through practices such as prayer, meditation, contemplation, and self-reflection. Engaging in acts of surrender and consciously choosing trust and faith in daily life can strengthen these qualities. Benefits of trust, faith, and surrender. Embracing trust, faith, and surrender brings numerous benefits, including peace of mind, resilience in the face of challenges, a sense of purpose and alignment, and a deeper connection with the divine. It allows individuals to flow with the rhythms of life, embrace synchronicities, and participate harmoniously in the unfolding of the divine plan. Pathways to the divine. Connecting with the sacred and nurturing personal spiritual practices. Connecting with the divine and seeking spiritual practices that align with one's beliefs and values is a deeply personal and transformative journey. This guidance explores the importance of cultivating a connection with the sacred, offers suggestions for exploring various spiritual practices, and emphasizes the significance of authenticity in finding practices that resonate with individual beliefs and values. Cultivating a connection with the sacred. Mindfulness and presence. Practicing mindfulness and being present in the present moment can create a deeper awareness of the sacred within and around us. Nature and the divine. Spending time in nature, observing its beauty and interconnectedness, can be a powerful way to connect with the divine. Prayer and meditation. Engaging in prayer or meditation, whether through formal religious practices or personal expressions, can open channels of communication and foster a sense of connection with the divine. Exploring spiritual practices, study and reflection. Delving into sacred texts, philosophical writings, or spiritual teachings can provide intellectual and contemplative nourishment. Rituals and ceremonies. Participating in rituals and ceremonies, both within religious traditions and personal practices, can create a sacred space for connection and reflection. Creative expression. Engaging in creative activities such as art, music, dance, or writing can be a form of spiritual expression and a means to connect with the divine. Authenticity and resonance, reflecting on beliefs and values. Taking time to explore and reflect on personal beliefs and values helps in identifying spiritual practices that align with one's authentic self. Trusting intuition. Paying attention to inner guidance and trusting one's intuition can lead to practices that resonate deeply and feel authentic. Seeking guidance. Seeking insights from mentors, spiritual leaders, or engaging in supportive communities can offer guidance and support in finding practices that align with personal beliefs and values. The fluid nature of spiritual practices. Evolution and adaptation. Recognizing that spiritual practices can evolve and change over time allows for a fluid and dynamic relationship with the divine. Combination and synthesis. Combining elements from different spiritual traditions or creating personalized rituals and practices can be a way to honor one's unique spiritual path. Pathways to spiritual nourishment, engaging in meditation, prayer, and connecting with nature. Engaging in spiritual practices such as meditation, prayer, and connecting with nature can provide nourishment for the soul and deepen one's spiritual connection. This guidance explores the benefits of these practices, offers insights into their essence, and highlights their transformative potential in enhancing overall well-being and fostering a deeper connection with the divine. Meditation, essence of meditation. Meditation involves cultivating present-moment awareness, focusing attention, and observing thoughts and sensations without judgment. It offers a pathway to inner peace, self-discovery, and a deeper connection with the divine. Benefits of meditation. Regular meditation practice can reduce stress, enhance clarity of mind, improve emotional well-being, and foster a sense of interconnectedness with all beings. It can also cultivate compassion, mindfulness, and a greater capacity for self-reflection. Prayer. Essence of prayer. Prayer is a heartfelt communication with the divine, expressing gratitude, seeking guidance, offering blessings, or simply sharing one's hopes, fears, and aspirations. It is a way to cultivate a personal relationship with a higher power or universal consciousness. Benefits of prayer. Prayer can bring comfort, solace, and a sense of surrender to a higher wisdom. It can deepen faith, provide a sense of purpose and meaning, and offer a space for reflection and connection with the divine. Connecting with nature. Essence of nature. Connection. Connecting with nature involves immersing oneself in the beauty and wonder of the natural world, recognizing its inherent wisdom and interconnectedness with all life. It is a way to experience the divine in the vastness and intricacy of creation. Benefits of nature connection. Spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, increase vitality, and foster a sense of awe and gratitude. It can inspire creativity, provide a space for reflection and introspection, and deepen one's connection with the natural rhythms of life. Integration and balance, combining practices. Engaging in a combination of meditation, prayer, and connecting with nature can provide a holistic approach to spiritual nourishment, addressing different aspects of one's being and fostering a multidimensional connection with the divine. Finding balance. Each individual's spiritual journey is unique. Finding a balance between practices that resonate with personal beliefs, values, and preferences is key to establishing a sustainable and meaningful spiritual routine. Subscribing to the content of Anything YouTube channel is a great way to expand your knowledge and stay informed. Thank you for watching.